Buying the wrong auto part can cost you more than just money. It can affect your vehicle's performance, reduce safety, and create long-term mechanical problems. Many car owners face the same issue. They order a part online, it arrives late, it doesn't fit properly, or worse, it fails after a few weeks. That frustration, wasted time, and extra garage costs can easily be avoided if you choose the right supplier and understand how to select the correct part. In this video, we'll guide you through how to choose the right auto parts and explain why D2P Auto Parts is a trusted choice for drivers across the UK. First, let's understand why selecting the correct auto part is so important. Every vehicle is engineered with precise specifications. Brake systems, engine components, suspension parts, and electrical units are all designed to match exact measurements and performance standards. If you install incorrect brake pads, your stopping distance may increase. If you choose poor quality engine components, you may experience reduced efficiency and higher fuel consumption. Incorrect electrical parts can even damage your vehicle's wiring system. Auto parts are not just products. They directly affect safety, performance, and reliability. So, how do you make sure you are buying the correct part? Step 1. Always check your vehicle registration number or VIN. The VIN number contains detailed information about your car's model, engine type, and manufacturing year. Step 2. Confirm the engine size, model variant, and year of production. Even within the same car model, different engine versions require different components. Step 3. Always compare the OEM part number. The OEM number ensures compatibility and guarantees that the replacement part matches the original specification. Many buyers skip these steps and focus only on price. That's where mistakes happen. Now let's talk about common buying mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the cheapest option available without verifying quality. Low prices may look attractive, but inferior materials can wear out quickly and cause further mechanical damage. Another mistake is ignoring compatibility details. A part might look similar, but small specification differences can lead to improper fitting. Some buyers also fail to verify the credibility of the seller. Purchasing from unknown suppliers without reviews or return policies increases risk. This is where D2P Auto Parts makes a difference. At D2P Auto Parts, quality and compatibility come first. Every component is carefully sourced and tested to ensure reliability and performance. As a UK-based supplier, D2P Auto Parts focuses on providing genuine, high-quality automotive components with fast and reliable shipping. Whether you need engine parts, brake systems, suspension components, or electrical parts, D2P Auto Parts offers a wide range of products designed to meet precise vehicle specifications. Each product listing includes detailed compatibility information, so customers can confidently choose the correct part. Customer satisfaction is a priority. If you are unsure about compatibility, support is available to help you select the right component before you purchase. This reduces returns, avoids installation issues, and saves valuable time. Thousands of drivers understand that investing in the correct auto part protects their vehicle's performance and longevity. When you choose quality components, your vehicle runs smoother, braking remains responsive, and overall efficiency improves. Reliable auto parts are not an expense, they are an investment in safety and durability. If you are tired of ordering incorrect parts, dealing with delays, or compromising on quality, it's time to choose a supplier you can trust. Visit D2P Auto Parts today and browse the available products through the official eBay or Amazon store. Choose quality, choose compatibility, choose performance. Drive with confidence with D2P Auto Parts.